Can you show, let's say you want to go in and edit that theme that you've created.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show how to both go in and edit it as well as how you might share that theme with somebody else so that they can import it into their Snagit library or
Yep.
Snagit
To
editor?
Sure. To do both of those things underneath the drop down menu for the themes, you simply locate the theme that you want to adjust. And the gear to the right is going to hold all the answers to your questions. There's an edit button in here, which would bring that theme editor back up so you can make changes to the name, the color, whatever you so choose. You can also use that gear icon to duplicate it. So maybe if you want to use this as a template and you want to create like a secondary version, of those colors, you could do that as well. You can export it. When I click export, it actually does bring up a menu so that you can export it as a snag theme file. It's also saying it gives warnings about your fonts if there's specific fonts that you've bought, but it does create a snag theme file with the name of it. And then all the people have to do, actually, it's a tiny file. You can even email this, and if they have Snagit installed, they simply double click on that file. Snagit will say, do you want to install this theme? You say yes or no. And if you say yes, it adds it in. Simple as pie.